1 minute. Let you know excavator parts. Introduction. Bucket cylinder, forearm cylinder boom cap, solenoid valve group, air filter, air cooler, counterweight, silencer, engine, water tank, diesel tank, hydraulic tank, distributor, motor center, slew joint, hydraulic pump, battery, upper frame wheel, track rollers, support rail, walking motor, track, walking lever, dashboard, timer, ashtray, lighter, radio controller, switch, key switch, throttle control, air conditioning, wiper control panel, 12-volt freezer, fuse box, APAS controller, electrical, air condition, seat, handle, pilot head off switch,